How to connect PS4 controller to Samsung S23 Ultra. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung S23 Ultra. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the settings on your S23 Ultra. Over here, tap on Connections and then tap on Bluetooth. Leave your S23 Ultra on this screen. After that, move to your PS4 controller. Press and hold both the PlayStation button and the share button together. Then keep holding these buttons until you see rapid blinking on the controller. Now go back to your S23 Ultra, tap on the scan button, and you should see the wireless controller appear on the list. After that, tap on the controller and then tap on pair. The PS4 controller will now be successfully connected. So that's how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung S23 Ultra. That's all for this video.